Welcome back to Sulu Indoor Kitchen. I am working on learning my cinematography, my vlogging style, video editing, all of these things since I bought this new camera a couple months ago. So today has nothing to do with outdoor content, but I am forcing myself to film something and edit it and learn a bit more. So you get to learn how I make sourdough dill crepes. This is not yogurt, this is sourdough. Discard. I see the confusion. So come along for that, and maybe I will actually get this video posted and hopefully learn some more things about my camera. I don't actually have a recipe that I follow, I usually wing it, but Luke wanted me to write down my recipe for dill crepes, so I am actually going to create it today and figure out what the ratios are. So we have 500 grams of sourdough discard. 2 eggs going in. I'm going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of our baking soda. Same thing, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And because we're going savory, we are going to do some dill. I like to be pretty generous with it. So 1/2 tablespoon. We'll see if I end up adding some more. Let's start with 1/4 cup of milk. Give that a good stir up. Crepes are meant to be a little bit thinner, so that's why I added the milk. I think you could probably do water if you wanted to. I almost just spilled that all over the floor. How sad would that have been? I think I need to add a little bit of flour now that I think about it. What am I even doing? Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making this up on the spot. Don't trust what I'm doing. Luke's criticizing me for making up recipes on the spot. I don't know why. Something tells me I should add some flour. So I've got a tablespoon. Let's do 2 of those. This is the problem. I made them so good earlier this week. Did I write down what I did? No, so I can't even remember how to recreate what I know was already good.
Classic. Did you? Oh, hello. Hi. How are we doing here? Over here. There you go.
Who invited this bull in a china shop
I live here.
into our kitchen?
I'll pay rent. It's fine.
Jeez Louise.
You want coffee?
Yes, please.
Hot one?
I'll take an iced.
Nice coffee. Okay.
I'm all about that iced cinnamon dolce after you made it for me last week.
Okay.
I like that consistency. Let's get the pan heated up and give her a try. Okay, this looks perfect. And it smells really good too.
Yep.
We'll see before we continue the batch in case I need to modify the recipe.
Did you do the dill style again?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty good.
Like perfect.
I like that. You gonna write this recipe down this time?
I'm gonna write it down.
Okay. I like that. It's good.
I did good. cinnamon dolce iced latte.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I gotta get some cinnamon on it. Looks like a root beer float, hey?
Is it a root beer float? Is the Starbucks up in here? Damn.
Good.
Thanks, Barista Luke.
No problem. What's like a cool barista name? The Barista Bro?
Barista Bro.
There you go.
If anyone knows us personally, Luke is also known as the Dough Bro because sourdough in the making, and he loves making us bread, buns, and all sorts of good stuff.
I have to feed my wife. That was really good. It's better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday's. Oh, what's different?
The beans.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna need a tutorial, Barista Bro.
Alright.
Cheers. Okay, back to sourdough crepes now. So, my recipe got us 12 dill crepes. Look at that. They're not as thin as traditional crepes, but they won't easily break or anything, which is nice. And they smell so good. Enjoy your sourdough dill crepes. Hope you like them as much as we do. Also, they're really easy. You can put them in the fridge for like a week and use them for lunches and grab and go. Just rewarm them up. Okay, see you guys next time.